Hello, dear technologists, dear students, and the faculty belongs to radiology. Indian Society of Radiographers and Technologists are organizing national online competitions on the occasion of World Radiography Day. All of you very well aware of that. Quiz and oral presentation will be held, and the inauguration will be taking place on 8th November 2021. At the quiz, cash prize already announced. The first prize is Rs 5,000 rupees and e-certificate. The second prize is 3,000 rupees and the certificate. And the third prize is 2,000 rupees and the certificate. As well as oral presentations also announced. Each topic will receive two different prizes. 3,000 rupees for the first prize and 1,500 rupees for the second prize. All of you well aware of that there are 6 different topics are there this time, and any one topic can be chosen by the student. And remember, only students can take place or take part in this event. This time you need to send a pre-recorded version. It is not a live presentation, only live question and answer session after telecasting your video. So what you need to do, you need to send a PowerPoint presentation in video format with the explaining of the each PPT, each page by you. And remember, you should not cross 7 minutes. And the last date of the submission is on 5th November 2021. After completion of the video, you need to send it to NCISRT quiz 2020 at gmail.com. Remember, there are 3 different days. In each day, there are 2 different topics. In each topic, there is a first prize and second prize, cash prize with the e-certificate will be awarded. On 8th November, you can see that radiography modalities and radiation protection and interventional radiology, 2 topics pre-recorded which is sent by you will be telecasted during the live session. After that, followed by question and answer session. Whoever's video or pre-recorded video is not selected for the best 4 in each topic, their videos will be shared in official YouTube channel of ISRT India YouTube channel. You can watch through that. We also will share a link. You can send it to your batchmate, your colleague. I will show you how to do recording in a PPT. See, after PPT you have made a set. You can see your PPT is ready here. Example, which is CT head and neck angiography. In the first slide you will mention about your name of yours, course name, college name and the state name, then followed by other few different slides. Here I'm showing it. In the first slide, what you need to go, you need to go to slideshow, click record slideshow and click record from current slides. Once you click it, you can see here the page will open, and keep it ready, everything what you need to explain in each slide. You can write it down in a notebook, then press record. Once you press record, the presentation start immediately. Explain about your title of this thing and followed by anatomy. You can see here the time in each slide which you spent. You can see here this is the total time of your presentation. This time will be a slide. You spent a time in each slide. You can see here now I'm in the second slide. When I go to third slide, see here it is starting from 0, and this is the total time which is showing in spent during your oral presentation. After you explaining in each slide, after that in between, if you want to take a break, you can press pause, then take a break. Then if you wanted to continue again, you can press again record, and it will save continuously in a particular slide. Then after that, once you completion of your presentation, press stop. After pressing stop, escape, press a escape button, then go to file, then go to export, then click create a video. You can see here, don't make any changes here. Go to create a video. Once you create a video, it will ask the location to be shared. You can select a location area, then select whatever the name you want to do, save as a file name. Then remember here, when you save it, it has to be in MPG video format. Then press save. You can see here the creating video, it is start taking place here. Once completion of here, it will show here is completed. After recording in a completion of that, you can see you can play this in each slide. It will show a symbol here. You can see here itself. You can make edit if you want, or you can delete this particular slide again, and you can re-record it the same similar step which is explained in the previous. After completing of the record conversion into video format, you can see here it will save in a desktop file. You can open it, and you can see this is how it will be there in the video format. You can listen that the voice behind that recorded version, and it will automatically show that how that slides are moved, everything it is will be recorded. This is the previous one which I showed you, that is in a format of, if it is Windows 8 and above, Windows 10 with, or Windows 11. In case if you don't have that, you have a older version, also you can record it. You can go to home, then go to slideshow. Here you can press the record narration. After pressing the record, clicking record narration, you can see the record narration page will open. Then you have to click on OK. Then after that, you have to start presenting. You have to explain about it slide by slide. Here there is no pause option or no stop option in between. You have to keep it ready, everything notes, and you have to continuously explain one by one in each slide, and keep it in mind that that time should be less than 7 minutes. Then after the completion of the end of the slide, you need to press escape to save. Then the options will come, then you give a save option. After saving it, you can see here the similarly what I showed you in the previous, the recorded in each slide the symbol will show. It means in each slide you have recorded. In between, if it is anything the symbol is missing, means in that particular slide you are not recorded anything, or nor you escaped it. Then after that, click save here. Once you click the save option here, the video or which you explained audio will be saved itself. There is no any conversion into MPG format. The straight away this format should be, which is saved as a PPT. It will be there in the PPT format itself. When you open it, when you go to full slide, it will be recorded versions only. So you can straight away forward this to our email ID. In case if you are finding any difficulty in recording, you can use Flashback Express. Is one of the good software, is a free software. You can utilize it. for recording purpose. And keep it in mind, you use Flashback Express is a free option. Don't try that Pro. It will be, you need to pay, or you need to have the uh, names in the video. Once you enter to Google form, while registration rules and regulations are mentioned, as well as quiz rules and regulations also mentioned. Keep it in mind, this is an individual participation. No teams are allowed. The last date for the registration is 5th November 2021. The questions for the quiz can be a multi-choice or true false or specific answer or identifying the image. Replacing of any participant is not allowed after the registration. There are three different rounds are there in this quiz competition. In a preliminary round, we will select best top 50 students out of any number on 8th November 2021 on the inauguration day. The second round, out of best 50 students, will be taking quiz competition on 14th November, and we will select best 25 students out of 50 students on that day, and those 25 students will be selected for the third round. Third round will take place on 21st November, which is the final round, and out of 25 students, best 3 students will receive cash prize as well as the e-certificate. If you have any doubt, you can log into our Telegram group. I have placed the QR code here. You can scan it and you can enter. If you have any doubt, you can ask there. This is the quiz demo. I'm showing it to you here. Example, you need to fill your details before you starting your answering. We will give a time for that to enter your details as well as name, as well as your college name and your institution name. Then after that you have to answer one by one in a stipulated time which is mentioned. Okay, then after that, then you are submit your answer. Then you can view a score here after you are submitting it. If it is you are selected for the top 50, we will inform you in the uh, Telegram group, or we will send a individual email for the 50 best top selector. How you will get the link? Whoever is registered for the quiz competition, we have sending a link to their email ID. No, or we will share that link in the during the integration program. You need to click on exactly time what we mentioned. If it is, we mentioned that the quiz will start at 6 o'clock, and exactly sharp 6 o'clock this link will get activate. If you click it before that also, it will not activate. This will exactly activate at the exactly whatever the time we mentioned. So once the 6 o'clock, sharp 6 o'clock, you can start answering. In case if it is that link, if it is not opening it, what you need to do, you have to refresh. Once you refresh at exactly sharp 6 o'clock, the link will activate. Then you can start answering as I showed you in a previous quiz demo. In case if you have any doubt in the oral presentation or quiz presentation, don't hesitate to ask your question in the Telegram group. I will answer personally to everyone, every each your questions, and the details also is mentioned in the registration link, or you can send your doubt to the email which is provided here. So all the details which is mentioned, please log in to join Telegram group for any queries or any doubt. Thank you.